Take my Zaca Life, and I feel like we've gotten a bunch of messages from people saying that they've tried it and they loved it. But if you have not tried it yet, you absolutely have to. If you have any trips planned, you know, bachelorette parties, weddings, any event where you're gonna like drink more than you normally do, you need to take a Zaca. So we have a discount code. I'll make sure I leave it here, which we talk about all the time. But honestly, they work so well. Might cut drinks, maybe you're a little bit dehydrated, like this. I'm serious. Just get it and try it and you will die. It's like works so well. So that's what I did yesterday. We had a glass of wine and then we did a wine tasting. And so I came home, I like went to bed early. It was like really good. But then I took my Zaca, and you take 2 of them normally, like if you're traveling or hiking or what else? All kinds of reasons to take them. But then you take 4 of them if you're drinking.